we'll guide you through how to create 3D models in Blender Studio. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender Studio on your computer. Once you're in, you'll see the default startup scene with a cube in the center. Go ahead and click on the cube to select it. If you want to start fresh, you can press the X prime key to delete it. Now, let's add a new object. Press Shift plus A prime to bring up the Add menu. Here, you can choose from a variety of basic shapes like cubes, spheres, and cylinders. Click on the shape you want to work with. Let's say you choose a cube. It will appear in the scene. To modify it, press Tab to enter Edit mode. In Edit mode, you can select vertices, edges, or faces by toggling through the options at the top left, or using shortcuts 1', 2', and 3' respectively. Click and drag to select parts of the object, and use G to grab and move, R to rotate, and S to scale. You can also extrude parts by selecting a face and pressing E'. This is how you start shaping your model. If you want to be more precise, use the Transform panel on the right side to input exact dimensions and coordinates. To add details, you can apply modifiers like Subdivision Surface for smoother shapes. Go to the Modifiers tab on the right, click Add Modifier, and choose Subdivision Surface. Adjust the levels of subdivisions to get the desired smoothness. To apply textures, switch to the Shading workspace at the top. Here, you can create and edit materials by connecting nodes in the shader editor. To see your textures in the 3D viewport, switch to Material Preview mode. Finally, when you're happy with your model, you can render it by going to the Render menu at the top and selecting Render Image or Render Animation if you've animated your model. Remember to save your project frequently by going to File, then Save As. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.